I think demonetization, as you all know, it started in 2016, and Narendra Modi declared the 500 and 1,000 rupee notes which we were using before as illegal, and we had to use, now they issued new notes, 500 and 2,000 rupees notes. So in my opinion, I'm not really sure about demonetization, whether whether it actually helps a long-term interest, because our GDP, India is one of the biggest, one of the biggest countries in terms of population and now in terms of economic growth, and we have attracted a lot of foreign investments because of our economic growth. And GDP, it really hits the economic growth, at least from my perspective. And as I already mentioned over there, it reduced from 6 to 2%, and I think that's a really bad decrease. So. And also, as they mentioned before on the slides, that 15 people have died standing, and also I had to actually do a research about demonetization before an assembly, which didn't happen. So actually what happened was even some of the bank employees died due to overworking. This is what was given in the website, because naturally so many people were caught in a problem because there were hardly any notes. And the planning was not, it was not up to the mark, because this is such a big step, and the planning has to be up to the mark, or else people died, and also our GDP is taken a big hit. Of course, it's only, and again, based on the statistics given by the second group, the black money, only 1.12 crores have been extracted, and the investment was 12,000 crores. So that's like 19,000 crores remainder. That's a loss. So I don't believe in demonetization, to be honest. So yeah, that's my opinion.
Demonetization, right? Okay. You want to talk on the topic? So both the topics are available.
Yeah. So